Hello everyone! We're taking a journey back in time with a true icon of horology, the 38mm 1963 men's watch Polit chronograph, a wristwatch that blends timeless design, mechanical brilliance, and military heritage into one incredible package. This watch is not just an accessory, it's a story on your wrist, originally commissioned for the Chinese Air Force in the 1960s. This timepiece symbolizes precision and reliability. Fast forward to today, and it remains a favorite for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Crafted with a Tianjin Street 1901 mechanical movement, the 1963 chronograph is powered by a hand-wound mechanism offering an authentic, vintage experience. Each winding connects you directly to the craftsmanship behind this masterpiece. Available in a 38mm or 40mm acrylic case, this watch retains its vintage proportions, making it perfect for those who appreciate a classic aesthetic. The domed acrylic crystal enhances the retro feel, while the chronograph function ensures it's not just stylish but also functional. The chronograph buttons provide a satisfying click, and the dial design is beautifully balanced with subtle vintage elements, including its unique gold tone hands and military-inspired details. The Street 1901 movement is a modern-day rendition of the Swiss Venus 175 movement. Known for its durability and accuracy, it's assembled with precision, offering approximately 45 hours of power reserve. This watch is versatile, pairing effortlessly with any outfit from formal wear to your everyday look. Whether you're a history buff, a pilot, or simply someone who appreciates mechanical craftsmanship, the 1963 chronograph is a statement of class. Your purchase includes a premium leather strap that enhances comfort and style. And with its remarkable price point, the 1963 chronograph offers unbeatable value for a mechanical watch of this caliber. Experience the legacy, relive the history, and own a piece of timeless design. The 38mm 1963 men's watch Polit chronograph wear vintage meets modern. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews and timeless tech stories.